Fellow students of Kampala University, I thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I thank the administration of Kampala University to have given me a chance to make these videos so that I can help my fellow students to go through the challenges of this new portal. So I'm going to take you through how to pay your tuition through mobile money, and your tuition goes direct to ePortal or to university account direct. So we have two ways so far: paying with MTN and Airtel, as you've seen on the screen. So that's how we are going to go through the process by process of how to pay with Airtel, at the same time how to pay with MTN. So subscribe and share to your fellow students so that those who didn't know can also know, because this is the cheapest way, because even the charge is not equivalent to the one we've been paying in the bank. It is very little, as we shall see. So we are going to start with MTN. So that is my phone, if you had seen. So we are going to go through how to pay on university account using MTN mobile money. We'll start with MTN mobile money, then after we shall go to Airtel money. So those who are using MTN mobile money, what you need to do is to dial star 185 hash. Then you click your MTN line. You click on MTN line. Then we press for payments. Then we press 3, which is school fees. Then we press 2, which is pay school fees pay. Then pay fees, which is number 1. Then student code, it is our Kampala University new numbers, which is ID numbers. So now ID numbers, mine starts with KU 00009282022. Then press send. So it will come up with my names. At name Mwezi Rajab, school Kampala University, class Masaka. So I'm in Masaka. So telling me to put the amount. So I'll put the amount. Then I press send. It's only that I don't have money there, but if I had money there, immediately it will tell me, it will send direct to the university account. So that's how we pay using MTN mobile money. So after putting the money, you shall put your PIN, which is your mobile PIN. Then the money goes to the university account. Then another way of checking is by Airtel money. So Airtel money, we shall press star 185 hash. Then we go press 6 as school fees. Then we press 2 as school pay. Then we press 1 as fees. Then we put our number, our KU registration number, our KU number, which is ID number. Then we press KU 00. That is mine, but for you shall put yours. 928, 928, then 20, 22. Then I press OK. Then Airtel, you put amount. Yeah. Then it will be showing me that this is Moizarayo Kampala University Masaka. Then amount to pay, this one. Then charge. That is the charge, okay, for 600. Then enter PIN. Now, here that's when you put your PIN number to send the money on the account. So after putting the number, the PIN number, the money will be sent to university account. So how do you check that money has gone to university account? You shall check by yourself also. So what you have to do, you shall come to your e-portal. We said the link is https:// then eportal.ku.ac.ug. Some people are calling me with challenges that they don't log in, but the issue is when you don't start with https:// you just only put eportal.ku, it will take you to different direction, to different portals. But when you start with https:// it will take you direct to Kampala University with eportal.ku.ac.ug. So you click OK. Now when you click OK, it will ask you for your ID number, then password, then you enter in your dashboard. So after entering in your dashboard, you shall just direct go to student financial. So among the student financial, your money you have deposited, you shall find it down here, showing that you have paid this amount, then the balance is this. So what you need to do here, you shall print out this copy. You just print the copy showing the amount you've paid and the balance you've left with. So in case they want it at the university by the bursar, it's what you take there to prove that you've paid on a university account. Thank you very much, my fellow students. Those who have been following me, those who are watching my YouTube channels, that you are doing great and great to support your fellow students of Kampala University. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I wish you well at our D-Day of our course.